So before I start cooking some breakfast, I wanted to explain to my son what is the difference between an entrepreneur, a self-employed person versus a W-2 worker. So I wanted to share it with you as well. So when you are a W-2 worker, your boss gets paid first. Once your boss gets paid first, they issue you out a check. Once you look at that check, 3 things already left, which is the federal, state taxes, and payroll taxes. You're already paying 3 things off your check. Then you get your money last. So it goes through a process before you even get your full money. It already been taken out and digged in, right? 3 times: federal taxes, state taxes, and payroll taxes. Now, when it comes to an entrepreneur, business owner, you get the money first. You use anything you want, invest it into whatever you need to invest it into, which most likely it's money that's going to come back into your business. So hopefully you're investing into something that's going to bring you back more money. And then finally, at the end, they tax whatever's left over. That's a big difference. They're not withholding your money already up front like they do to a W-2 earner. Automatically, from the beginning, federal, state, payroll taxes is taken out immediately. As a business owner, that is taken out last. You get the money first, you invest whatever you want to, and then you pay off whatever is left over on taxes. Big difference, major key. This is why the wealth are getting wealthier and blah, 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 blah. But I just wanted to break it down for you in simple terms. If you guys want to open up a business, you know I got a little course going on too. So just let me know, and I hope this makes sense. Just wanted to educate you, inform you, educate my son. Have a great day.